Would you like to create a table in an easy way in Excel? Come and show you how. Here we have a series of data that are we going to use for this example to create a table. What we do is that we select all the data, press the Ctrl keys and the letter Q, and we get this message. It said create the table. It says where is the data of the table, we select it, we click on it, and boom! It makes us a table with filters, colors, and already frame it. But we are not finished. Leaving this part of the table done, let's press the Alt and F1 keys and see what happens. Boom! Again! A graph ready to present. So we select the design we want to change, the colors, the title, but that is for another video. If you like this video, please click subscribe and see you later. Bye.